As we did with the month function, we can also throw in the weekday function, total all sales by day. Brad Williams, Excel primed. All we're doing is throwing within SUMPRODUCT the weekday. What does weekday do? It turns the day of the week as a number. We're going to define by using a qualifier. Our qualifier is Monday is 1. We're stating explicitly that weekday has to equal 1. Well, Monday is 1 based on weekday. Therefore, anytime we look through our list, which is going to be amount 98, the amount 98 is the number we're going to count. The date is B5 to B17, our name ranges. Essentially, we're going to search our list here in any Mondays, total all sales by day. That means all throughout our entire list. So every Monday, we're going to sum up every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday, and every Friday. Here's the array, F9. Here's the array, and we have 1 true. Here we have, look at the array, F9, and we have 2. How do we get there? We have the serial number, and we have all this other stuff. Here we have that false, false, false. In other words, show me the Tuesdays. Show me the Tuesdays here, and we're going to see, you're going to see as we scroll down, they're down a bit. So we have a Tuesday there and a Tuesday here, and they're going to show our true. We're going to sum up the amount based on this data here. Sort of redundant, the stuff that we've gone over a million times. Weekday, just remember what we're doing here. And SUMPRODUCT, well, we've gone over it enough. Read it if you need it. Brad Williams, Excel primed.